Yeah. Okay. This point is showing the internal cutting head is pointing to this location, and we're going to cut this square here. Okay, so because inside it's not easy to see the cutting head. This is why this is right there. Okay. When we actually cut, we'll remove this pointer. Try to demonstrate we can cut on here and also on the side, either side. You can cut different shapes, circle or square or other shapes, anything you can program it. This is the CNC control, the 3X cutting head. You can move this way, and also up and down, X, Y, and Z. So the X, Y, Z is in this way. This is in the X direction, so you can cut on the tile in this way. And this is the Z, okay? And in this way, we call it a Y. So this is the Y direction. So if you want, you can cut this way, cut in Y. Okay, up and down is Z. And that's X. Here's the structure of that. This is a small version of a bigger one. In other words, we can make a bigger travel. Right now, this is about 1.2 meter diameter of the tile. try to demonstrate cutting a curved shape. Last time we cut a straight line, square. So this is to show that we not only can cut a straight line, but any curved shapes. We are going to cut a circle on this area. This demonstrates a curved shape on the top of the tire.